Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company. This video will be covering the tools and different features that you can find on your dashboard. Now, when you initially log in, you should land on your dashboard, but if you don't, you can always click on dashboard right up here. Some of the tools that you have in here is month to date, and it tracks how many visits you have on different pages and things like that. How many leads you had in the month, how many total visitors you had, how many page views, and leads generated per 1,000 visitors. Quick links. These are some of the most used features within the editor. First, you have leads. This will get you to where you can send a simple plain text response to the lead forms that are being filled out on your site by customers. Inventory Manager. This is where you can go to add in your new, used, and new non-current units that you have in stock on location that you'd like to feature on the site. Product Manager will be used to change or set pricing on the page of your website labeled as new models, or the brochures page. Pages. This is where you'll go if you want to modify any of the paragraphs that you see on various pages of your site. Orders. This particular orders is legacy and it is no longer used. Rotating offers. Towards the top of your homepage, you will have a carousel of rotating offers that give details on the newest financing or other deals by manufacturers. To edit those offers, you would go to rotating offers. You have total lead count by source, pretty self-explanatory. Your top viewed pages, either in the 30 or 90-day range. Visitors by device in 30 to 90-day range. If you want to view your account information, such as the name of your business, location, primary contact for ARI, you can jump into there. So you have manage users. If you'd like to see the current users that you have that are able to log into the CMS editor and make changes, you can view that here. As well as if you go over to the right and click on the plus, you can add employees in that you'd like to have the ability to edit. When adding in your employees, you can choose exactly what they see in the roles section down at the bottom. Sites. There's a lot of tools within here. I'll go over them very briefly. Domains. These are all of the addresses that are tied to your website. Redirects are any redirects you have set up that when they click on a link, it redirects them to another page. HTTPS audit just simply means is the page secure? Has it passed it? And has it got that HTTPS certificate? Packages is what current package your site is running on. The theme is the overall color scheme and fit and finish of your website. Components make up the visual blocks or visual elements that you see on your homepage and every other page of your site. Assets. Think of these as small buckets that carry around paragraphs or written text. You can take those buckets and place them on various pages of your website. So if you do want to have a written paragraph that you've typed out display on multiple pages on your site without actually having to retype it, you can simply add that current text asset to that page. Layouts. This gives you ability to rearrange the order and the overall look of the elements that you have on your homepage, as well as some of the looks and overall feel that you have on internal pages of your site. Editors. You'll only access this if you have a blog with us. There is a tool that we use called SquidX to set up a blog, and if you want more information about setting up a blog on your site or any of what I go over here, make sure you get a hold of either your implementation specialist if your site is not live, and if your site is live, get a hold of your account manager. And then we have request update. This can only be used once your site has gone live. But let's say you get into the situation of your site just went live and you run into an issue. You either A, don't have time to do it, B, don't know how to do it, or a mixture of both. You can either email our updates team directly by using this email, or click on request update and you can use the handy dandy pre-laid out form down below. My request to you, if you ever use the request update, be as specific as possible. Be very clear. Use HTML, use pictures, use guides, any tools at your disposal to make the changes very obvious to get what you want. And that way we only have to make the change the one time. And the last thing that I'll discuss here on your dashboard is up top. We'll go into the Help Center. If you need help and you don't want to request an update, first, you can go ahead and call into our technical support or email them. Or if you're like, you know what, I would much rather learn this information myself, you can go in and click on the Help Center, and there is both very long, in-depth videos as well as step-by-step articles with pictures that you can follow as well. That is what the dashboard has to offer to you. It's a lot of information and functionality. Until I see you all next time, have a great day.